Hello guys, this is Average Trader. Welcome to week 44 of our trade logging series. This week we made minus 3R. We lost 3R this week, and honestly, it wasn't a particularly bad week. I think towards the end of the week we took a couple of trades that really didn't do us any favors, and unfortunately markets went against us. But they were really nice patterns. I don't think I took a single trade this week that I regretted. So yeah. This is all part of trading. You gotta take the wins with the losses and the losses with the wins. Quick reminder, if you do want to see all of this happen live, head on over to our chat room. We're the only chat room on the market that has a profit promise guarantee. So for any month, totally, if we do not make money on our callouts, you get the month for free, right? No questions asked. Otherwise, let's go straight into the first trade of the week. First trade of the week was MU 6220 by 62. And we stopped out of this thing, unfortunately. We were taking this on a 1 minute breakout. You can see this thing, a better entry would have probably been 62 instead of 6220, but we missed a 6220 entry, and because of that, we missed a 62 entry, and because of that, we took the 6220 entry, which unfortunately, as you can see, had a big green bar and immediately stopped us out. Very unfortunate, but nothing we could have done about that. Next trade we took was Apple 172.90 by 173.20, and we took this on a 1 minute breakdown, and it was really nice because we see these beautiful topping tails beforehand, and then a big red bar lower, and really easy 2R on this trade. Next trade we took was Amazon. And we stopped out of this. This is one of those patterns that, I thought it should have worked, right? We took a 1 minute 3-bar play off the morning. It was 115.62 by 115.12. And unfortunately, look how long this thing chopped around for, right? And look at the daily, right? A huge gap up over previous resistance, right? And unfortunately, like you can see on the daily, the topping tail, this thing went lower, and we got stopped out of it. Next trade we took was NEM 44.68 by 44.83. Took this off of a 1 minute or 2 minute breakdown. The entry I had was 44.70, but 2-cent slippage, can't really complain. And, all of a sudden, after we saw these bottoming tails, which we should have gotten out of, this thing, had a super bullish bias over here, even to the point where it gapped up on a 1 minute bar. Look at this, right? This is a super bullish sign, and unfortunately stopped us out. Nothing we could have done there. Next trade we took was Nvidia 307.25 by 308.25, and we took this on a sell setup. Look how extended it is on the 1 and 2 minute time frame, right? We were trying to aim for a 1R at the 50% retracement level, but unfortunately it had a super shallow pullback, and Nvidia this day was apparently just super strong, right? And so after we got in on the sell setup on the 1 minute, right, or 2 minute sell setup, anyone would have worked, right? We got stopped out, unfortunately. Look at how shallow of a pullback this is for how many green bars it is up, right? There's really nothing we could have done about this. We always expect a 50% retracement or a 100% retracement, and unfortunately it went about 20% retracement and stopped us out. And the last trade of the week was U 30 by 29.85. And once again, really nothing we could have done here. Took this on a breakout on the 1 minute, and unfortunately broke us out and immediately stopped us. I know this picture shows later that it came back to break even, but we got in the trade around here at the breakout, and as you can see, right after the breakout, red bar, green bar, engulfing red bar, and by that point we knew this thing was done, right? So really nothing we could have done about that. Really beautiful breakout. You can argue that previously it had broken out and left a topping tail, but as you can see, this breakout was pretty clean up until the point where this red bar engulfed the green bar completely. But nothing we could have done about that, and we stopped out on U. And that is all of the trades we took this week. Once again, made minus 3R, and these weeks come and go, right? We had a plus like 8R week a couple weeks ago, and you know, we didn't complain about that, right? So we shouldn't be complaining about a minus 3R week. Once again, to see all of this live, head on over to averagetrader.live. If you have any other questions or comments, put them in the comment section below or join our Discord. I'm extremely active there. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week for the continuation of our trade logging series. Have a nice weekend, guys. Bye-bye.